have the honor to present for assent, in accordance with Article 115(4) of the Constitution, the County Allocation of Revenue Bill 2024 for assent. Your Excellency, this bill is a culmination of the legislative interventions that followed the non-passage of the Finance Bill 2024. This bill was sponsored by Senator from Mandera, Captain Ali Roba, who is also the chairman of the Senate Committee on Finance and Budget. The bill was originally passed by both houses and referred for Your Excellency's assent on 28th of June 2024, whereupon Your Excellency referred it back to Parliament for reconsideration. Due to the revenue shortfall occasioned by the non-passage of the Finance Bill 2024, the monies will be transferred to the county revenue funds and passed on to the counties through a disbursement schedule. Your Excellency, the disbursement schedule has already been passed by the Senate and will take effect upon the coming into effect of this Act.
This state ceremony is convened pursuant to Article 115 of the Constitution to facilitate the presidential assent to the County Allocation of Revenue Bill 2024, Senate Bill number 25 of 2024. Upon the presidential assent, this act will provide for the horizontal sharing of revenue among county governments, thereby enabling the equitable distribution of resources across the 47 counties. Your Excellency, this bill returns to your desk for presidential assent following your earlier referral of the bill to the Senate for reconsideration pursuant to Article 115(1)(b) of the Constitution. The Presidential Memorandum of Referral was transmitted to the Senate on 10th July 2024 and had been necessitated by a revenue shortfall arising from the failure to enact the Finance Act 2024. Sir, in light of the subsequent amendments to the Division of Revenue Act 2024, and with both houses of Parliament having now fully discharged their legislative mandate, Your Excellency, as the head of state and government, is graciously petitioned to exercise your constitutional prerogative under Article 115 to assent to County Allocation of Revenue Bill 2024.